gripen. We got the car tuned. We had some problems, but we managed to fix it quite good. We had some electrical problems with the belt of the generator spinning a bit, and also because of that we had a little bit of a low fuel pressure. But we seem to have fixed it now. We're going to do a pass now with a new belt and see if that fixes the problem correctly. So as you can see behind me, we're at my favorite track, Sturup Raceway, and we're going to have a day of drifting today, and we're really excited. So let's get going. Fan vad du svettas! Du vet vad du svettas! Hur varmt är det på Sturup?
Skala 12 av 10. var det.
Tripp-trapp-trull.
So guys. Vänta, här kommer en V8 här, eller V10.
Det kommer en äcklig jävla Dodge.
En V10 Dodge.
Jävlar vilken bil. Den är röd.
Well, that wraps up our Saturday here at Sturup. It's been fucking hot, right?
Yeah.
We've been melting away both in the mechanics and me in the car, but we started off a bit slow. We had some checkovers before we started going on track, and the first thing we noticed was that actually one of the knuckles sitting on the car had a small crack beginning on the right side, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Robin changed that, and also while he was doing that, me and Andrea changed the accessory belt for the alternator because it was slipping a bit on the dyno last night. With that fixed, we went out, had some sessions. Then we had a clunking sound coming from the car. It ended up being a dry CV joint that has been started glitching, and we changed that and got that fixed. And also the exhaust pipe was hitting the prop shaft a bit. Also the car was running hot a bit, but we managed to fix that by airing it out a bit more. So the last few sessions was so much fun. The car actually worked good in the end, and yeah, I think it's been a good day.
Yeah.
So let's maybe go home and
shower or take a bath.
Take a bath or maybe become human again.
Ice cream on the way.
Yeah, we'll see if we can either take a bath or buy an ice cream. Something is definitely going to happen. But thank you to all the partners for making this happen, and also huge thanks to you guys for following us on this trip. And yeah, let's get back to Gothenburg. Vad bra.
Let's go home.
Fan, skulle jag tryckt rek eller?
Ja.
Jag jobbar den. Yup, that's it. Let's go home.